Hello, good day, my dear 6th standard students. Welcome to Vidyasri Education Trust video classes. Today, I would like to discuss with you Unit 2nd, the Good Samaritan or Samaritan. And this is the parable extracted from the Holy Bible. This one story said by the Jesus Christ. And here free reading task. PRE, free means before, reading task means work. Listen to what your teacher says and answer her or his questions. And now I start with the explanation from the free reading activity. Many religious means dharma, men and women have taught us good behavior by their songs, stories, and precepts. For example, Basavanna said, "Do not steal, do not kill, do not tell lies," etc. And here, the so many people of the religious, they were told to us about the good behavior and good character. How do we develop for the society and our personal development and spiritual divinity and spiritual life? That one is said by the in this text. And here one Vachana of the Basavanas remembered here. That one very popular and everyone known about that. Do not steal, kalabeda, do not kill, ಕೊಲಬೇಡ, do not tell lies, ಹುಸಿಯ ನುಡಿಯಲು ಬೇಡ, ಅನ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಅಸಹ್ಯ ಪಡಬೇಡ, ಇದಿರು ಹಳೆಯಲು ಬೇಡ, ಇದೇ ಅಂತರಂಗ ಶುದ್ಧಿ, ಇದೇ ಬಹಿರಂಗ ಶುದ್ಧಿ, ಇದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೂಡಲ ಸಂಗಮ ದೇವ ನಲಿಯುವ ಪರಿ. Like that the vachanas very famous in our North Karnataka and all over the Karnataka. And this kind of the precepts and the stories, songs like that the Kabira, Mirabai, Purandaradasa, Kanakadasa, so many kind of the sages, saint and the poet or poetess Akkamahadevi, popular vachanas and the on that the time of the 12th century reform of the society, everyone tried to change the characters and attitude of the human being. And today also the same story here. And I will continue to this. Give some other examples that you know. Already I told to you. And next one. What did Jesus Christ, Muhammad Paigambar, the Buddha, Ramakrishna, Paramahamsa, Gandhi and others say? Here questioned some another kind of the people who also tried to change the society and tried to reform the people mentality and social bad evils. And like that the peoples are here. For example, Jesus Christ and Prophet Muhammad Paigambar, the Buddha and Ramakrishna Paramahamsa, Gandhi and others say how did they live, and discuss their teaching with your partner who are with you in the home. You should be discuss about this kind of the people's life and their achievement. Now I read the first paragraph of the Good Samaritan prose or the lesson. There once was a man walking from Jerusalem to Jericho and Jerusalem, two cities. He was alone. Alone means single. And the road be followed was rocky. Rocky means it's a hilly or mountain surrounded the road with many twists and turns. Twists and turns, you know that one, like that the road. And what given here in the picture, you can look here, the rock and the that people are here on that road are the that place. And he was alone, means single, and the road which he followed. Followed means he was walking on that road with many twists and turns. Suddenly, two robbers means thief or darodekor, jumped out of some now here. Suddenly jumped on him and they attacked the man, beat him up, and stole everything he had. Steal, stole, stolen. And the two robbers somehow jumped at him and beaten too much and also stole whatever he have the money and even his cloth also given here, even his cloth also they stole by with the very badly and also beaten him with very cruelly. In the second paragraph, I will continue. The man lay bleeding, lie lay laid or lie lay lain. This is the verb. Lay means stretch or flat or in the sleeping position. Bleeding, bleed, bled. Bleeding to death on the side of the road. And along came a priest. When the two robbers threw that traveler into the one trench beside the road, on that the same time one priest came on the same road. Priest means pujari or the worshipper of the god. When he saw the man, he was so shocked that he stood and stared. Stared means look constantly, dittishi nodu, without change his direction of the eyes. Only he saw at the wounded person. The man could barely raise his head. Barely means without, naked, nothing, barigai. Raise his head to beg for help, but the priest only backed away. But that priest not interested to help him. Without any kind of the concern, that priest was backed away. He tried not to look as he passed him as quickly as he could. Very quickly how he came there, like that he returned from that place. In the third paragraph, the man lay in the dirt moaning. Moaning means painfully crying. Until another man come along, he saw the man, and luckily another person also came on the same place, all covered in blood and dirt. And that wounded person, first that traveler who beaten by the robbers, his all the body covered with the blood and dirt. Dirt means that even the dust of the soil, and making funny noises in the ditch. Ditch means the small trench, halla, tagu. He thought, oh, he looks terrible. And that second traveler was surprised. Oh, he looks terrible. Terrible means very fearful, bhayanaka. I wouldn't ever want to touch him. Besides, I am sure he is no one I know. And he passed him by as well. And that person who came there, and he said he wasn't related to him, therefore not help to him. And that kind of the mind he made, and he just passed away from that place. In fourth paragraph, on the same place, our hero of the present story, then a Samaritan. A Samaritan means Wabba. A means one. Samaritan came walking along the road. Across the road, one person, Samaritan. Samaritan means the person of the Sumerian country. Like that, India, Indian. Pakistan, Pakistan. China, Chinese. America, American. Like that, one person. The, the man who lay in the dirt was a Jew. Sorry. Man who lay in the dirt was a Jew. Jew means that the persons are people of the citizens of the Jewish. Samaritans and Jews had been enemies for hundreds of years. Both were enemies, Samaritans and the Jewish. Today also they are fighting for their own beliefs. But today I want only discuss about the the present story. At means adagyu, although, in spite of, despite of, at means adagyu. The Samaritan came over to him. Came over means come nearest to him, very nearest. And he never think about the that person, wounded person was related to the enemy's country, although he was came at him very gently, smoothly. Gently means very smoothly. He lifted the man's head and brushed the dust out of his mouth. He took some water and cleaned the man's eyes and gave him some water to drink. Look here, two people also came on that place, but they never helped him. But Samaritan, even that Jew man wounded, he was related with the enemy's country, although he was helped to the that person and came nearest him, and also he washed his face, cleaned his face and eyes, and gave water to drink. He put wine on his wounds. Wine means this is a kind of the alcohol contented, this one used to cure the wounds. Wine means this is made by the grapes. On his wounds to clean them and make them heal. Heal. Heal means cure. Bega vasiyagu. Heal quickly. Then he carried. With and with reverb. He carried the man and put him onto his donkey. And that Samaritan took that wounded person on his donkey. Donkey means beast of burden. On those days used the camel, elephant and bullocks and ox to use as horses. Like that the animals are used for travel, transport and another thing. This one is called beast of burden. Here donkey and brought him into town and took that injured person to the town. There the Samaritan gave some money to an innkeeper. Innkeeper means restaurant, hotel. I-N-N. In means hotel. Keeper means manager. Innkeeper means hotel manager. And said, put him in a clean bed and spend. Kharchu madu. Spend whatever you need to take good care of him until he is strong again. And look here, the Samaritan, how generous, and he gave the money to the innkeeper or hotel manager and said to him, he should be take care of him and gave the clean bed and good food because he should be recover again. He become like that the what he was on the good health. And then in the 6th paragraph, now tell me, Jesus added. This story is said by the Jesus. He told to his fellow men or the followers. Therefore here, now tell me, he asked to them, which of these three men was a true neighbor to the man who was robbed? And who was the real friends for the neighbor means that one is the friends or very nearest people. The first one, priest, or second one also came there. Who were them the good person on the both of them? And he asked to his follower, the expert in Jewish law. Jewish law means that one the Old Testament. That one is the Jerusalem is there. That the follower of the Jewish religion, they said law means that is the justification of the religious, didn't need to think very long. He said, the one who helped him, of course. And everyone said, Samaritan only the good person, and he was the real neighbor for that injured person. Even also he was related with the enemy's country. Jesus then told him, then go and do just the same. What the Samaritan did, like that the good work you also do without think about the any caste, religion, who will in the trouble, that time only humankind, and you should be think about the humanity and help to everyone that one said by the Jesus Christ to his followers. Those who heard Jesus tell the story knew that he wanted his followers to love everybody, especially strangers and those who are in need of help. Already I told to you, and whoever want help, whatever the situation, even the enemy also, we should be helped to him or them. That is the story of the Jesus Christ said to his followers, and he said, brotherhood only save the earth, otherwise we are quarrel each together and kill themselves and also kill our earth. This is the story of the good Samaritan. You also follow the like that the good characters and also read more like that the moral stories, and until bye, and read well, and I will send the question and answers next day, and until you should be read the story and understand it very well. Thank you.